Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make super quick breakfast wheat dosas. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my updates. Note down or screenshot this recipe. Let's get started and make batter. Add wheat flour into your bowl. To this, add some semolina. It is optional though. Add some green chilies, salt, sugar as per your taste and requirement, finely chopped onions, and mix all the ingredients together. Add an egg to this mixture and mix again. You can add grated or desiccated coconut. It will definitely enhance the flavor of this dosa. Add water little by little until you attain the perfect consistency. This is a super quick breakfast idea. At the same time, it tastes awesome as well. I haven't added baking soda or baking powder to this recipe. I don't prefer consuming baking soda right in the morning. Mix batter thoroughly until there are no more lumps. Perfect! Our batter is ready. Preheat pan on a medium-low flame. Grease frying pan with a little bit of oil and dab it off. Check heat and pour the first dosa. Place batter right in the center of your frying pan and spread it out towards the ends. Cook it either covered or uncovered for 1 minute and flip it up. Again, cook the flipped side for a minute more and your wheat dosa is ready to eat. Repeat the same process with all the batter and prepare wheat dosas. I made 5 dosas from the batter I made. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, follow me on all my social medias, to which the links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.